Welcome guys to another little video. Now today is not going to be a little tutorial, but I wanted to make a video to thank an individual who decided to go, and he really liked the videos that I produced and released on YouTube, and he was wondering if he could get some scripts and stuff like that. And the way he contacted me through PayPal and just made a little anonymous donation for $10 with an email. Well, you know what? I am grateful, and it helps support and, buy a drink when I'm sitting here coding. And I'll be thinking about this guy because he decided to, give a little bit of cash. He wanted to learn, and I'm going to support his idea. I gave him the every script there was in my project, the exact state that it is, and pushed some of the scripts into the GitHub. Now, if you don't know, I actually have a GitHub that I don't support. Well, I have, and I don't post a whole lot of scripts into it. The last update was about 3 months ago, maybe 2. So I decided to push some of the abstract classes, the event system, and a lot of other little tiny scripts. I know you got every script that was in this one, so you should have enough to start writing your own weapons if you wanted to. You got the abstract classes, and if you watched the videos, you should know how to write a weapon into the system. I know you have the event system that I used for inputs. You have that. You'll have the weapon manager, the abstract class, and a lot of the other ones. You've got light rifles and medic packs, and that you should have the scriptable object script, and the slot player folder. You have the exact one that I have. Now I want to stay this run player. It works. I do believe so. The rigid body one I am currently working on. I'm not exactly too happy with the one that we actually have right now. And you have the rigid body, you have the player walking, heavy gunner. I don't believe you have any of the weapon slot logic ones, is because I am going to be making a lot of changes to those. So I'm not necessarily going to be willing to release those. The only reason why I gave them to that guy is, he pretty much paid for the script, so I gave him every script that was in the project, including just basically every script in the project. So, he deserves that. He done a cool thing. He just didn't email me asking me for scripts, and because some of them I took a long time to write. Well, they didn't take a long time to write, but it's like everything else. You write something, then you test it out, and you just try to smash into it and try to get it to break. If it doesn't break, it's good code, right? I mean, that's how I do it. And he'll probably ask for the updated version not long from now. I'll be perfectly fine to give them to him. But the next update will probably be quite a while from now. I don't know, but I'm sitting here with a nice little 12-pack, so 12-pack of pop. So I'm not gonna lie. I might get a sandwich later, because the guy. So you'll probably see about 4 or 5 videos come out pretty soon. Hey, guy's got something to drink, and it's my way of showing appreciation. That's how I look at it. And this video was just made to make sure you guys know that I got a GitHub, and it's being updated slowly, but at least you guys got some way of looking up a script besides watching an entire video of me explaining it. And later on, I'll be putting a lot more comments in there. I don't think there's a whole lot of comments in the GitHub one, but if you guys go to my video and watch them, you'll know what's going on. And if you have any basic knowledge of Unity, you'll know exactly what's going on script wise. There's a lot of basic things, and if you do not know what object oriented scripts are, they inherit from you have a parent class and you got child classes that interact with your parent. You know, I have quite a few videos in my intro to Unity stuff. It's for beginners, so if you guys do not know how that stuff works, then please look in the channel and look in some of my beginner courses for Unity. Some of them's a little bit more advanced, some of them's pretty basic, but you should get the idea of what's going on. If not, then please let me know in the comments so that I can make a video better. See, the thing is, a lot of times my ADHD kicks in and I skip words, and you know, a lot of things that make sense for me that's just basic, like 1 2 3 for me is like 1 2 10 for you, and it's fine. I look for there to be bumpy roads, and I look for there to be misunderstandings. We are human. We don't get stuff sometimes, and then we get frustrated. It's a perfect human natural reaction, and you just have to learn to live with it. I'm 30 some years old. I've dealt with a hyper disorder, so I'm pretty sure that you guys have all coped with something in your lives. If not, then I'm going to raise the glass for you, you know, and say you've had some really good times, you know. But thanks, guys, and thanks for the donation, and thanks for watching. This was actually the best that the channel has done the entire time that I've had, so I want to thank you guys and appreciate your time and, you know, efforts and all that. So I hope this helps you out in your development and learning, and have a nice day. This is Wardon, over and out.